Hello, my beloved. Today we're going to be making the Nigerian beef tomato stew. Note this recipe is for 5 servings, so you can increase or decrease due to the quantity you want. So let's cook. I'm going to be starting with the pepper, onion, and tomato. I'm going to blend this in order to make a puree. You boil this till it's dry. Let's give our beef some attention. We're going to be seasoning with some diced onions, bouillon, salt to taste. Also the ginger, chives and garlic seasoning. I'll be adding some grinded chili pepper. If you're not a fan, it's optional. I'll also be adding my curry, my rosemary. Give this a stir in order to incorporate the ingredients into the beef. Close and steam for 10 minutes and we're good to go. In a heated wok, I'm going to be adding my vegetable oil. We'll be frying the beef till they are golden brown. Once they are golden brown or to your satisfaction, get them out of the oil. We'll still be making use of that same oil. To the heated oil, we'll be adding our diced onions again, our tomato paste, and give that a stir and allow it to fry for 3 minutes. So it's time to incorporate our boiled tomato, pepper and onion puree into the mix. Give it a stir and allow it to fry for 7 minutes. Note, keep stirring to prevent it from burning. So once the mixture is well fried, we'll be adding our spiced or seasoned beef stock into this mixture. Give it a stir and taste in case you need more seasoning. Actually needed more seasoning, so I added some bouillon, salt to taste and a little bit of curry. Give that a mix and allow it to simmer for some minutes. So it will simmer for like 5 minutes. It's time to add our meat. So I'm adding the beef. You mix. Yeah, a lot of mixing. We need the ingredients to get to know each other. So I allow it to simmer for 2 minutes and a stew is ready. So my beloved, if you found this recipe helpful, can you please leave a comment in the comment section and give me a thumbs up? And if you haven't subscribed, I'll be waiting. So please subscribe and I got to eat. So see you next time and stay blessed. Goodbye.